Hey everyone, Laughing Shrimp here. I recently shopped at Costco and found these huge jar of walnuts for sale. It was less than half the price of Amazon, and it was too good of a deal I had to share. So, we are going to make candy walnuts today. Also, stay tuned for the next video where I will show you how to use these in a dish. First, start with about 150 grams of walnuts. Then, you need 1/4 cup of sugar. Pour the sugar into a pan. Then 1/3 cup of water. Turn on the heat to medium and stir until sugar is completely melted. Once the sugar starts boiling and begins to reduce into a thick syrup, throw in the walnuts. Mix until the walnuts are coated evenly. Keep cooking until there is no water left. If you notice the sugar is burning or it's too hot, lower the heat. Take a baking sheet and line it with foil. Pour the walnuts onto the baking sheet and spread them out. Sprinkle some salt on top for even better taste if you like. Refrigerate for about 30 minutes until the sugar hardens. Don't forget, we will use these for a dish in the next video. Enjoy and see you all next time. Bye.